Let's go to Eldoret, and this is those what I say work visits, So this is my brother. I told him to drop me in town because the meeting was impromptu. I was told to come to be in Eldoret by tomorrow. And I was just told today in the morning. So I started the journey afternoon. So now we are headed to town CBD. I want to just catch the next Nissan that is going to Eldoret. In the meantime, you can just listen to these songs. I'm here at Afia Center and I'm looking for North Rift. So I went to North Rift and I found they didn't accept M-Pesa and they didn't have an ID, so I opted to use this Jevic shuttle. Guys, just use North Rift. Halfway through the journey, I'm here in Nakuru and I was taking some tasty matumbo, ugali and cabbage, and I bought some snacks. Halfway there was a accident in Salga, a piki and I don't know which, I think a lorry, I'm not sure, but it took a toll on our journey and I arrived at this guest house at around midnight. I was glad they opened the door for me. What amazed me about the guest house, it was the cheapest I could have gotten that fast. It was 1200 per night, and see how the room was. It was like well kept. I was even shocked, like it's this good. It was it was just a place for me to sleep, so I didn't want something out of the ordinary. So before I slept, I had to make a presentation. I didn't make it because I told you it was impromptu. I had planned to go to Eldoret another day, but I had to go back. So you can see, like, that's how the shower looked like, and the toilet, it was clean. And in the morning, I prepared myself. This is what I wore, like, I have to brand my product, Kenya University Sports Ranking Square. So this is where I stayed, New Green Pastures Guest House, and I found it on booking.com. So I juggled my way and I got to Moi University, the law school annex complex, I think. So I was just here for the KUSIF annual ceremony. So it was the second one, the annual KUSIF's forum. So KUSIF's is Kenya University Sports Federation that runs sports in Kenya. So I was invited to speak about esports, and because they want to consider esports as a sport for their games, so it will be a good place to collaborate with them. So I made my presentation, they liked it, and we hope for the best. So lunchtime was here, we were given lunch, and you see what I had. The food was tasty, and I had mursik for the first time. When you go to Rome, do what the Romans do. So we had this guy sharing Colosseum is supposed to verify student athletes, and the day was done. We ended with dinner and some, drinks, and I took the next bus back to Nairobi at around 10 p.m. or was it 11? And I reached Nairobi at around 4-5 a.m. I truly enjoyed Eldoret.